Okay, this is the final tutorial in the Constant Contact series. We've completed our first round of edits, and I actually noticed a couple of things right here that I thought we could go back and refine. But let's go ahead and do a preview. Click on the preview pane, and the benefit of this is that now you can kind of hover around and see how things are actually going to be spaced out. In the preview pane, it's just grabbing your first name because you're the account holder. If we want to send an email test, we can send a test version of your email with a personal message to anybody that you want to. We can enter in email addresses up there for the sake of this tutorial. I'm just going to go ahead and do it this way. I can also send a note. It's a test. What do you think? And then I can click on send test. And it's going to confirm that that email has been sent. And while we're waiting for the test email to show, I'm going to go back in here and make a few changes. What I notice looking at things, I like to distinguish details and price right here a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and open up my edit window. I'm going to highlight the word price. Choose bold. I'm going to go ahead and increase the font size one on space. And kind of help it stand out just a little bit. Do the same thing for details. Choose bold. And increase the font point just by one. And it kind of makes things stand out just a little bit better than that. Okay. And that's looking pretty good actually. Hit save. And I can hit preview again. And I can send it a test. And I can check this out in my own browser. The test email came in, and I'd already chosen to show the images. And as I'm looking at the email, I realized that I did not place a link on that title right there. So another really good reason to run the test. So I'm going to go ahead and close that up. Open up my file here. Remember, if I hover over any editable area, click on the pencil. And making this a link is super simple. I'm going to open up my trusty notepad. I'm going to find that link that I had saved earlier for the file itself, and I'm going to go ahead and copy that by hitting Control-C. I can now highlight and copy this title right here. And I can go over here where this says link, or it doesn't say link, but it's a chain link right there, and if you hover over it, it'll say insert link. Click on the button. That text is already there, and what I really just need to do right now is just to paste in that URL, and then I can insert that. And now you'll notice that this title has all been underlined. It has lost its little flare, so I can go ahead and highlight and copy that, choose the bold mark, and that looks pretty good right there. It's also made it 10 points where I can just highlight and copy that and just increase the size and make it look how I'd like to. Maybe even take up another notch. Let's see what 12 looks like. Yeah, it looks pretty good right there. Now I can hit save, and of course I want to save my work here, and then I want to head out and preview the file one more time. And now I can click on that link, and it's taking me to the actual page right there, which is what we wanted to do. Okay, so that's great. And the only thing left to do now is to hit the continue button. And in this particular area, again, you're going to choose your database lists. As you upload those, you'll be able to name those. Right now there's only one person in this list. We can either schedule the email, or we can send it now or send it later, and all of those things are all right here. And again, you can edit that subject line and the from name. Remember those things that I showed you how to edit earlier. Okay, sounds good.